Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make cupcake tin liner flowers.
You will need 6 muffin tin liners per flower, a hot glue gun, a few buttons, scissors, and a bamboo skewer. Fold 5 of your muffin tin liners into quarters. Then glue them shut. Then take one of your quarters and glue them into the liner that has not been folded. Once this step is complete, you can glue your button into the center. Trim the end of your bamboo skewer. Then glue it on to the back of your flower.
I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I post one video every Sunday afternoon. I do DIY videos, recipe videos, and lifestyle videos. And be sure to leave a comment about the DIYs or any other kind of video that you would like to see. I will see you next Sunday. Bye!